Hello friends, and welcome back to Smart Kitchen. Today we're exploring one of the most loved food traditions in the world. American comfort food. These are the dishes that bring people together around the table. Meals that are simple, satisfying, and full of flavor. From backyard barbecues to cozy family dinners, American cooking is known for hearty recipes that are both delicious and comforting. One of the classics you'll often see is a perfectly grilled steak. Juicy, flavorful, and cooked over high heat. Grilled meats are a big part of American food culture. The smoky aroma from the grill, the rich flavor of the meat, and the simple seasoning create meals that feel both rustic and special at the same time. But American home cooking is not only about meat. Many recipes celebrate vegetables, herbs, and simple ingredients that come together to create unforgettable dishes. Savory tarts, roasted vegetables, and baked meals are all part of the comfort food tradition that families enjoy every day. Comfort food is really about more than just recipes. It's about memories, family dinners, and the feeling of sitting down to enjoy a warm meal after a long day. These dishes are often simple to prepare, but they bring incredible flavor and satisfaction. In the Smart Kitchen collection, you'll find many recipes inspired by this tradition of homestyle cooking. Recipes designed to be practical, delicious, and perfect for sharing with the people you love. If you enjoy discovering new recipes and classic dishes from around the world, Smart Kitchen is the perfect place to explore. You can download our free recipe ebook and start discovering many more meals waiting for you inside the Smart Kitchen library. Thank you for visiting Smart Kitchen and spending a few minutes with us today. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next recipe. See you soon. Right here in the kitchen.